Hey friends, I'm ContactCoCoDenise, and today I am showing you our room at the Country Cascade Waterpark Resort. So come on in. We are in room 1414, so let's go ahead. Let's go in and take a look. Alrighty, so as soon as you come in behind the door, there is an ironing board and an iron. It's dark here. Is there a light? There's no light in this area. On the left is the bathroom. And this is a basic bathroom. It does have the handicap railing in here. Towels, one sink and a mirror, a dryer. There's a lot of dust on here. I hope you guys can see this. So clearly we'll have to do a thorough cleaning of this room. It's just dust. I mean, they did not wipe down this room. In the shower, we have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So far, I'm looking, I mean, I don't know. I have to see if this tub is stained or if it's dirty. I'm assuming that it's stained because it's an older hotel. Here is the shower head. We'll check out the pressure later. This looks unfinished to me. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Once you leave the bathroom, we have a closet area, top, and at the bottom there's a safe and room for your luggage. Okay, so there is another space here for more luggage. This is the tiniest TV I've seen in a hotel room. It does have a microwave, ice bucket, and a refrigerator. We already put water in here, but one thing I do want to show you is that they said that this place was remodeled. It's scratches on this refrigerator. At the bottom here, are those what is that? What is this right here at the bottom? I don't know if those are scratches or what in the world that is. Needless to say, we will not be staying here again. I mean, overall it looks fine, but we won't be staying here. Okay, so they do have a desk area with a coffee, Keurig, and they do have these modernized lamps with the USB. So pretty much everywhere we've been going lately has these. And here's another mirror. Over here we have the luggage rack, so it's room for another piece of luggage, which DJ has his stuff there. This looks a little suspect. Like, what is this? I mean, I guess you get what you pay for, right? Like, what is this? Like, they couldn't cover that? And like, look at this. Regular AC unit. This is a twin size sofa bed for DJ. And then we have another lamp with the clock. Here is the bed. You have lamps on both sides. I like when they have the nightstands on both sides of the bed. Here's a picture of a bear out in the grass. Super cute. They do have a quilt on the bed, and it's a cute quilt with bears. And look at these bears right here. They're doing the s'mores. We have another bear in a boat.
And the phone is ringing.
And the phone is ringing.
Wait a minute.
Guys, I wanted to point out that there is no patio in this room that we have. There are two buildings here. The building this is the main building. The main building does not have a balcony. But if you look over here, this is the second building and the newest building, and you do get a balcony. The reason why I chose to stay here instead of staying over there is because the breakfast is in this building. Okay, so when we checked in, they gave us this Kid Camp Country brochure that lists a date and time for kids' activities. There's also a marshmallow roast, so pretty much for s'mores, 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. almost every day. They also gave us this paper here with the rules and regulations. So to me, this hotel is a little backwards because they do come in the room and change the towels, but they don't clean your room and make your beds and stuff like that. The only thing they do is they come in and they switch out your towels. So if you don't want your towel switch out, you don't want people to come in your room, you'll put on the do not disturb. They do clean the pool every 2 hours. So the pool closes every 2 hours. You have to get out and give them time to clean the pool. And this is just a list of the regulations. The Wi-Fi here really sucks, and I mean, period, it sucks. Oh, and it says here, pool closes every 2 hours for cleaning. Slides and splashway bay opens at 10 a.m. and closes at 6 p.m. Okay, so the pool doesn't close until 11 p.m., but the slides close at 6 p.m. And the last thing they gave us were the wristbands for the water park. So they have 3 colors. They have green, which is an adult wristband. They have red for 13 and under, meaning you have to be supervised by an adult. And then they have a yellow for like a teenager. So those kids can go to the water park without an adult. I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour. Again, I will not be staying here again. Sometimes good deals, you just need to stay away from them. You know, like every deal isn't a good deal, even if it's at a good price. And that's all I got to say about that. So, so again, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for our travel vlogs in Tennessee. And we'll see you next time.